In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to bank on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Webull application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So for me, I'm just going here and open my Webull application, as you should, of course, or as I said, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. And that will actually be my home or my main screen. And as we said, if you want to transfer money to a bank, it's simple on Webull application. You would like, first of all, to go to an option we'll find here. So for me, I'm not losing the latest version, so I'll not find it. So for you will find another icon here, a fifth icon in the middle. Just go and click on that. Then you'll find an option at the top called transfers. So if you actually go and click on that, you'll find an option called withdrawal. So if you click on the withdrawal option, you can actually select the currency that you want to withdraw. 3 currencies are supported, which are HKD, CNY, and USD, of course. So you would like just to fill the amount of funds that you wish to withdraw. And after that, you would like just to review whatever you did there. Then submit the application and wait for the funds to arrive. Of course, it could like take one or half, even from half to even 2 days of a business days to transfer money to your bank account. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.